Hi everyone, it's Julie here, and today we're doing flip cups with some Dimethicone as the silicone oil in them, and I'm actually going to put some negative space around them. I used to do this style years ago, haven't done one for ages. So I've got some leftover paint from some classes and thought I'd give that a go. The pouring mixture is a mixture of PVA and Floetrol, roughly 50-50, but I've also then got a dash of Liquitex pouring medium and also a bit of varnish, which I find does really help with the cell formation. So I flip over the cups and I realise that it's quite different to having the black paint around them what it is without them, because I often do a flip and a drag, whereas here I didn't want to do that across the paint, so I had to find a neater way of trying to contain those sections of paint. The other thing I found, which I don't remember last time I did it, is the issue about how you move it. I'm usually quite careful about how I move the paint around, but in this case it's really hard to control the three sections in terms of going back and forth. So and there's quite a bit of paint really pushing this other paint around. So in the end I just went for it. And I know this oil, it keeps some of the cells will go out of shape, but it keeps some reasonable cell shapes. And when I heat it again afterwards, I'll get some new smaller cells that will come up. Probably hadn't thought it out as much as to just sort of what shape I was going to go for. I decided in the end to, take each section over the edge in some way. See that with this paint that's thick, but look at it bunching up those cells there. So sometimes having thick paint can help with cell formation, but when you've got so much paint on with all that extra base on as well, it does really impact. I wanted to maintain the negative space, even though I've lost most of it. So I did try and manipulate that section to create had some more black paint and make sure that it was a defined negative space. I did get some lovely cells, particularly those little ones that popped up afterwards. And I'll have to go back and work out what it is that's causing these almost squarish shaped cells that are there, which I really like. I suspect it's a particular paint that's reacting. It's almost like got a halo effect on them.